Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I am in a random place doing my intro. I'm just standing here in front of my stove. So anyways, this video is just a quick clean with me in the kitchen, just like a quick kitchen cleanup, if you will. I have tons of dishes because they were not done last night before we went to bed, which is usually when I like the dishes done, and so the kitchen is clean when I wake up, but this is real life and that didn't happen. We have been super busy this week, and so I was just really tired by Sunday night and I did not get the dishes finished. So quite a few dishes over here. That's why I keep looking over there. I have a dirty table that needs to be wiped off and some laundry to fold. I have laundry going. I have a little bit of mess behind me, but I'm like trying to hide that. I don't know why. You'll see it in a minute. The floor, I did sweep yesterday, but in my house you have to sweep every day or it doesn't look like you swept. So we'll do like a little spot sweep up type thing in here, but it definitely needs to be mopped because I didn't do that yesterday. I won't be putting my table runner back on the table quite yet because it's in the washer and I usually air dry it. So I probably won't include this in today's video, but also might do a few more things in the kitchen. It's kind of a partly cloudy day today, so I don't know how good the lighting will be today. But anyways, I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, because it helps my channel and it helps me know what kind of content you like to see. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really does help my YouTube channel out, and leave me a comment down below what type of cleaning videos motivates you so that I can work on some videos just for you. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while, the words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected, it's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are new. And if you are new, please leave me a comment down below so I can be sure to welcome you to my channel. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!